On her way home from work, she never expected to meet someone who would change her life. A tiny stray cat, cold and trembling. As she stopped, someone else walked by, and the cat began to meow, as if begging for help. She hesitated, but those helpless eyes wouldn't let her walk away. When she reached out, the little guy crawled into her hands like he'd found his last hope. But something was wrong he couldn't stand. She grabbed an air freshener from a nearby store, then rushed him to the vet. The scan results were heartbreaking. His stomach was filled with plastic and trash. No real food in sight. Malnutrition had weakened him so badly he couldn't walk. And yet, through it all he stayed gentle, even hopeful. She fed him, cleaned him, cried for him. And months later he transformed. Strong, healthy, joyful.